Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can register TikTok business account. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and click on profile in the right bottom, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right. From here you need to click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on account, and first you need to switch to business account. As you can see that I already switched. Then you need to go back again, click on three bars and click on business suite. So once you are here, you simply need to click on business registration, and here you need to fill out the necessary details about your business. Click on register, and here you need to give all the detail of your business and click on next and click on next, and after that it will take 2 to 4 days and your business will be registered on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.